G'day throttlers. Now, this is the brand new GoPro Hero 9 that I'm filming on now. And I've been asked a lot about if it's good, if it's worth an upgrade. Now, this isn't going to be a proper review or an unboxing because, to be honest, I don't have time to do it. Thanks for stopping by, folks. While you're here, I would love for you to consider subscribing to the channel and tap that bell icon to stay in touch with all things Throttle Downunder. But just quickly, the GoPro Hero 9 came in this packet, this box, and in a nice little carry case, which is quite cool. What I need to tell you is if you're buying the GoPro Hero 9, you need to buy a SD card. It doesn't come with an SD card in the box. And the battery size is a new battery size. It's larger than the GoPro 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's a new size. So if you're like me and you've got a whole bunch of batteries for the previous generation of camera, you'll need to get extra ones for this. However, because of the size of this battery, they say that it lasts a lot longer. But I will be ordering extra batteries as well. Now, this is a larger camera than the others, marginally larger, but it does have a front-facing camera on it. And I'm just going to take you for a bit of a walk around. I've got to go down to my P.O Box. I've just received an email that there is something in it. So I just wanted to let you know that this is in my dark hallway. All of the audio is just coming through the onboard camera. So you can see that when I'm backlit, I lose a lot of texture. When I turn around and that front door is lighting me, it's a bit of a better circumstance. So that's low lit on the GoPro Hero 9. Anyway, let's go and jump in the car, go down to the P.O Box and see how it goes. All right, now I'm just talking behind the camera, just so you can see the audio from behind the camera, and get into the old D-Max, and now this is going to be quite an unexciting video, team. We're just it's just my thoughts on the GoPro Hero 9 as I'm going to the post office and back. But if you want to check out a day that was filmed predominantly on this camera, I'll link it above, but check out my last video of the Schmelking grand opening in Berrima, and every bit of footage that's off the bike is filmed with the GoPro Hero 9. My helmet cam and my dash cam on the Harley was an 8 and a 7, only because I didn't really want to put in my new Hero 9 on a mount when I'm traveling at over 100 kilometers an hour. I just wanted to be a little bit sensible with my brand new camera, and just so it lasts a little bit longer. But just cruising along in my old diesel truck, you can probably hear the clattering away of the diesel, but everything's in stock standard mode. I've got this set for linear, not wide at the moment, just because that was what I was using the other day. And all in all, I'm really impressed with the capability of this little camera. It's certainly better than the 7 and the 8, there's no doubt about it. And what I like in particular, obviously, is the front-facing screen, but also the horizon leveling feature. So if I use it when I'm riding along on a motorcycle or whatever it might be, on a push bike or on a boat, the camera will level itself with the horizon, so you get the best possible image. I think that's a really clever technology, and I really like that a lot. And in fact, it was the main reason why I upgraded it to the new Hero 9 instead of just hanging on to the 8. All right, incidentally, for anyone who wants to send me stuff to my P.O Box, whether it be anything to review or just a g'day letter. It's P.O Box 4122 Bexley North 2207 New South Wales, Australia. Now I've just gone under a row of trees. I'll see if I can get them on there. And that image went really dark. From this angle I'm backlit with the glare and I'm under the trees, and that shocked me a bit, but I'll have a look. That's only on the front facing screen. I'll have a look when I get on the computer at home to see what it looks like. Anyway, let's go and check my mail. It's always exciting getting mail. No return address on here, so it's a bit of a secret who it's from. I'm feeling it might be stickers or something like that, but we'll see. We'll see what it is. Let's just get back into the ute and have a look. All right, I'm very impatient. I can't even wait till I get home. So let's have a quick look at what I've got. Aha! Nice work. A little bit of a sticker from Mr. Ha Chewie. This is a moto vlogger slash musician slash walking extraordinaire. I will put his details on the screen for you to follow him. I highly recommend that you do. Very, very nice fellow, as well as being entertaining. Anyway, let's start heading home with this little camera, and I'll talk a little bit more about it when I get back in the... Alright guys, we're back in the office, and as I said at the beginning of the video, just a very quick opinion video on the GoPro Hero 9 I've recently bought. If you want some good footage, you can have a look at it on my previous video heading to Schmokin, the grand opening. But my thoughts on the GoPro Hero 9. Firstly, that front facing screen is very cool if you're trying to do vlog styling of stuff. So you know, if you're framed well, you can just make sure that you're framed well by looking at it. Whereas some of the older GoPros, you're kind of just guessing a little bit, unless you're on super view or widescreen. But this you can be on linear and still know that you are framed really well. Now the resolution on the front screen isn't that great, but who cares, because you're only looking at the framing, you're not looking at quality. The screen on the back is larger. The mount access is the same as the Hero 8. It's actually built into it. So you just pop that open. The battery and the SD card is accessible from the side, and the battery is larger than the previous generation. So it does mean that you'll have to be buying new batteries if you want spares. So this is the Hero 8 battery. Try and get it in focus. This is the Hero 9 battery. So you can see that they're quite substantially bigger, but more importantly, you'll need multiple versions if you're going to use your Hero 9 on a big long filming day, like when we go for a moto vlog or a moto ride. Other than that, the Hero 9, yes, it's an exceptional camera. As I said, with the horizon leveling, you can be tilting your camera like this and it will still level the horizon in the image, so you have a beautiful smooth shot. Is it worth upgrading from the Hero 8 or the Hero 7? if you've already got these? I would say no. For the $600 that this is going to cost you, it's not necessarily worth the upgrade from the 7 or the 8 unless you are going to be utilizing it a lot and you want things like the horizon stabling, the bigger sensor, which doesn't really affect me that much. But if you're taking still photos, you'll get a beautiful shot. You can do a higher frame rate for better slow-mo with a higher resolution. So I'm not 100% sure of all the specs, but there's plenty of videos out there that will tell you all of the specs. It's not what I use it for, guys. I use it to capture the fun times that we have on our motorcycles with mates and a bit of a laugh, nothing too serious. If you want more detailed stuff, check out Matty Hapoya, check out Peter McKinnon. These guys will give you all of the details. But for now, they're my thoughts of the Hero 9. Yes, I love it. Yes, I'm glad I bought it. No, you don't have to upgrade from the 8 unless it's something that you really want. The 8 is almost as good. Anyway, guys, again, Chewie, thank you, mate. Thank you for the sticker and the lovely letter. I do look forward to catching up with you for a ride, mate, real soon. And to be honest, you're probably the closest person geographically to me than anyone, and I still haven't ridden with you, man, so we have to make it happen real soon. Back on the motorbike on the next video, guys. Stay safe, throttle on. See you later.